And a good, pleasant morning to you, everyone. This is a live video here on October 17th, 2018. I have a very big announcement to share with my YouTube viewers here, guys. Something very, very special. Although I'm announcing this today, I was uploading a video last night on the 16th. Not this video, but a different announcement of the news I'm sharing with you. And if that video was at 80%, you guys already probably heard, YouTube broke. I'm not saying I broke YouTube with my announcement, but YouTube broke when I was uploading my announcement. And it was actually the biggest global YouTube outage in over a decade. Hours of no YouTube. Everybody was freaking out. Now, everything's okay, and actually as the morning has progressed here today, the rumors are already out there, so you may have already heard about this. I have decided to just remake the video today on a nice sunny day with no snow. I am bumping this video ahead in the queue a little bit, just so you know, but I have a major announcement to tell you all. Guess what, guys? I have signed a contract to be in a brand new RV TV series. It's official. Although the planning stages have been going on for months and months, and I've had to be as quiet as possible about the details, 4 Points Television did make their official announcement yesterday on October 16th, and they released their press releases and everything, so now I am free to share a little bit more about this TV deal with you all. First of all, it comes from a TV producer, Anthony Nally, who has the world's most popular aviation TV series ever to hit. The Aviators, you have probably heard of that show, has broadcast over 80,000 times to 12.5 million viewers in hundreds of markets in North America, plus 55 million viewers in 100 different countries. The show is put together fantastically with neat little segments where there's lots of different information and points on aviation. I think that's why it's become so widely popular over its, I think, 7 or 8 seasons now. I will be putting some links in the video description if you guys want to check that out. But the creator and producer of the new TV series, The RVers, is going to apply a lot of the same formula from the Aviators into this RV industry. And this is actually going to be huge because the RV industry is 80 times larger than aviation. And just like Aviators, once the series pilot is completed and the first season is produced, it's still unknown which markets, which TV networks are going to grab this up. But just like the Aviators, we're thinking PBS, Discovery Channel, Bell TV, Globalcast, iTunes, Google Play, Vudu, and Amazon Prime, and possibly even others, possibly even brand new TV markets. We just don't know yet. My part on the TV series is to be a segment host. I am actually the RV Class C host for the show. There are some other people you may recognize. The Class A hosts are the RV Geeks. The Class B host is Anthony Nally, the creator and producer himself, and also an avid RVer. Technomadia from YouTube are going to be our tech hosts. And Big Truck, Big RVer is going to be our truck, trailer, and fifth wheel host for the show as well. The RVers show will provide solid, reliable, first-hand RV insights from a combined 550,000 subscribers and 142 million total views from the RV community. So getting this show established from the viewpoint of RVers who are already full-timers and already videographers and already know what it's like living in an RV full-time is really going to help promote the show. It's going to give a good backbone to the show, a reliable source from all of these different hosts. And just here in the United States, the RV community has an economic impact of over $50 million. In fact, 10 million US households own an RV, according to RVIA.org. And RVNetwork.com estimates that over 250,000 full-time RVers are right here in the United States. That means no home, no apartment, no rental, no property. They live, just like Jackson and I, in an RV full-time on the road. And that number is growing. Think about my subscribers. Currently right now over 162,000 subscribers on YouTube, but not all of you are full-time RVers or even own an RV. There's so many people that are just curious about the lifestyle. It is actually a little shocking that it has taken this long for a TV series to be created for full-time RVers. It is. I mean, this is going to be a dynamic series. And as optimistic as our producer and creator is, I still think that he is underestimating this reach, especially with non-RVers. It's the lifestyle. It's the story you tell. It's the places you get to see. It's the trials and errors. It's how you fix things, how you deal with things. My life is not a cakewalk. But in the 5 years I've been on YouTube here, I have shared so many different aspects of RV life, from the amazing national parks to the transmission issues and engine problems and water heater. Well, you haven't seen that video yet. Sorry. Hang on. That's coming next. I am super excited about this project, guys. You don't even know, and it has been killing me to keep this inside for so long. I am so glad that it is officially out there in the public. In the video description below, there will be some links to the aviators. There will also be some links to the press releases. You can join the RVers on Facebook and follow live to see how the progress is going there. And also, there's some websites and some other material. All that will be in the video description below. As for the weeks and months to come before the series is live and available, I will be updating a little bit here on the channel what I can. But the most important thing is, and the biggest question you might have is, how does this change the Nomadic Fanatic channel here on YouTube? It doesn't change it at all. I want to be clear, I would not have gotten this opportunity with the TV series if it weren't for YouTube and every single one of you watching my channel and helping me grow on YouTube so that I could be found by the producer and creator of the RVers. So thank you guys personally, seriously. My part in the show is not going to affect anything that I do on YouTube. I'm still going to be producing all of my videos just like I always have, traveling on my schedule, my route, unless I change it from time to time, who knows, but I have a big trip announcement coming up very soon for the fall, and I don't need to be anywhere physically to be able to make this show happen. It's not gonna change my style of travel, my individuality as a YouTube creator. Jax and I are still gonna do our own thing, but the most important thing is that right now, nothing changes on YouTube. I'm still gonna be traveling the country, looking for quirky stuff, national parks, fixing problems as it goes, and like I said, I've got another big announcement coming very soon about the start of this new fall trip. So just wanted to express the fantastic news with you all. I hope you are as excited as I am about this project, and I will not be talking about it in every single YouTube video. I will only be bringing it up when there are some new announcements or changes. But welcome to the RVers TV series. Thank you so much, guys. I love each and every one of you. Please subscribe to this channel, hit that bell so you can get all the notifications, and leave me a comment or a thumbs up below and let me know what you think. See you soon.